Hello and welcome back to another episode of Limmy Bashers. The performance parts are starting to go into the V8. First one being the billet oil pump gears. I've just pulled the sump off and the oil pump off the front of the engine so I can pull it apart. This is the oil pump, this is the inner face of it. And there's the standard gears, which are now no longer required. You can go over there, and the billet ones can go in. Very nice. First performance part in the boss.
So many times we lose a moment of our life.
Billet oil pump gears installed. Now it's time for the high compression safe head gaskets. Ford Performance Racing head gaskets.
All our time, but I'm not giving up.
High compression head gaskets installed.
But I'm not giving up.
Now to put in my strengthened head bolts to hold these immaculately cleaned heads on. That's one side. Let's do the other side.
We lose a moment of our life.
Ugh.
I don't need anything, but I know I need you now. We've been wasting all our time, but I'm not giving up, giving up.
High strength head bolts installed. Now comes the really intricate part of my Ford Performance Racing timing chain kit. All that is gonna go on the front of that puppy. Nel nome del Padre, and del Hijo, and del Spirito Santo, I think.
And everything we've grown, I don't feel anything, but I feel you now.
Timing chain on. Just gotta tension and tension. Ford Performance Racing timing chain kit installed. Now it's time to put some fresh gaskets on the timing cover.
My new seals on my timing cover are red. That means they're faster. And you know what else that means? It means the timing cover seals are installed.
Right, well, I think that's probably enough for tonight. I've got the timing cover back on, engine's all timed up. Yeah, that's probably enough for tonight because it's like 1 o'clock. So I'll keep going with this tomorrow, which is now. And welcome back. The engine is nearly back together. Just got to slap the water pump back on the front, harmonic balancer, idler, tensioner, idler, and cam covers, intake, all the other juicy bits. Now the water pump can go back on. And what do we remember about rubber things?
Water pump installed.
And now back onto the performance side of things with my underdrive kit. Underdrive kit installed! On the list of performance parts that I did buy, my set of valve springs. I spoke to the boys from Herod and they said that every single Boss 260 that they've supercharged, they have run a very healthy amount of boost and have never had to change valve springs. So no valve springs for me, don't need them. Bye, ciao, see you later. So, moving on, rocker cover gasket kit. Let's chuck that in. Rocker cover gaskets installed, yeah! Was that a MMR coolant reroute kit going on? Yeah, it was. So the MMR coolant kit is installed. Right, the engine is all back together. I couldn't be bothered filming anymore because I just had enough of filming, and this video was probably long enough anyway. Engine's done, apart from once I get it in, running, do an oil flush. I've got a K&N oil filter to go on it. Apart from that, I've got a high pressure fuel pump, which I'll chuck in the wagon when the engine goes in. And then when it comes time to slap a whiny boy on top of it, I'll do a set of injectors as well, bigger injectors, and that's about it. But for this episode, that is ciao.